In ISO 13485, resource management is essential for quality in medical device manufacturing. Organizations must provide resources to maintain an effective quality management system and meet regulatory and customer requirements. Personnel should be competent, with appropriate education, training, skills, and experience. Documented processes should establish and maintain this competence and ensure everyone understands their role in quality objectives. Infrastructure requirements include buildings, workspace, equipment, and support services, with maintenance activities documented to ensure product quality. The work environment must support product quality, with standards for health, cleanliness, and safety. Controls should manage conditions affecting quality, and personnel must be trained for special situations. Contamination control is critical, especially for sterile products, with documented plans to prevent contamination and maintain cleanliness during production. Effective resource management in ISO 13485 ensures quality and safety in medical device manufacturing.